The market has arrived at my demand. I'm gonna take some buy positions. I'm going to open 10 trades with a lot size of 0.10. I'm going to analyze in just a minute on why I've entered these trades. Just wait for me to enter all my 10 trades and you're gonna see how I'm going to analyze this in just a minute. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5. So we have one more trade to enter and then boom. Okay, we have an account of 5,000 and as you can see, I'm going to mark this area here. This is my demand. This is my demand, and as you can see down here we have also a head and shoulder pattern and this right shoulder and then left shoulder and also a head here. And if you go on quite a bigger time frame, you can see our demand can be extended just from up here until down here, and it's also a support. So I expect the market to go up, targeting our supply which was formed somewhere here. If I go on a 15-minute time frame, you go check it out, guys. That will be our first target, and let's see if it's gonna play out. We are running in some profits already. Let's see what's gonna happen in just few minutes.
We are in profit, as you can see here. We are in some profit already, close to $50 close to. Let's look at it. It's a 15-minute time frame, and if you go on 1 hour, it looks like this, and on a 30-minute time frame, it looks like this, and everything is here. Here is just gold. On 1 minute, it looks like this. You can see below here, it forms this double bottom here, and then it goes up, forming this little demand here, coming back to retest, coming back like this, retesting the demand here, then start shooting up, and expect the price to go up to our target set here on the previous supply, and just mark the supply precise price. Our supply is somewhere here, guys. We see the price to go up there, then we can take our profit. But if we go on a 4-hour time frame, you can see it looks like this. It looks like this, and just a simple consolidation somewhere here. So I believe it's a very nice trade. See you again, guys. Make sure that you sum up this video in appreciation.